Alright, and welcome back. So today we are back in a new video and we're gonna share with you a VPN app. It will help you to secure your connection to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So to get this app, open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store you search for MSY VPN Tunnel. So this is the app, MSY VPN Tunnel. So install the right app, make sure to take note of the app name and also the app icon. So after installing the app, you must set it up so that it can work. But before we set it up, please, before you use this VPN, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And generally, please use VPNs responsibly and also follow your local laws so that you don't violate them. And after that, you're required to open this app and set it up. So when you open the app, it will automatically take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So from here you'll be required to update the app resources. First of all, you're required to tap on the three lines right here. Among the presented, you click on update config. So you give this app a few seconds for it to update its configurations, and after updating the configuration, it will provide you with the best service when you are using it. So after that, you're required to pick a server where you see auto server. So you tap here, then you can pick from any presented servers right here. But for today's guide, I recommend you to pick auto server. In this way, the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location, and after that you're required to pick a connection method. So you tap right here, then from the presented you can pick either your country name or your country network, and also today's video we're gonna pick the all country UDP. This is because UDP is super fast and it is secure, and also it is working for all countries which support UDP. So if your country supports UDP, this option will work for you. So make sure to pick all country UDP, or you can pick your country name. So after that, you're required to pick to add on time. Where you see time left, you're required to add on the time by tapping on this add hours button. When you do that, this app will stay connected for a long session, and please note that in case it runs out of time, the app will stop working. So make sure to add time. And after that, you're required to insert a connection by tapping on the start button. So when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and within a few seconds the app will be connected. And as you can see right here, the app is right connected. And that's how we set up MSY VPN Tunnel with all country UDP settings to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet again in the next video.